Most AI courses teach you how to use AI. This video teaches you how to build it. We're talking about AI models from scratch, a beginner edition that builds every piece of a model from mathematical primitives. No black boxes, no frameworks. Every component is coded by you. This matters because current AI education hands you a tool, but not the understanding. Every other course gives you a model.fit call and calls it education. This leaves you unable to explain what the model is doing, unsure which layer failed in production, and dependent on libraries you don't understand for systems you can't debug. That common frustration is exactly what we solve. The cost of never building foundations is stagnation. You are stuck at junior/mid-level and passed over for key roles. With our foundations, you can debug systematically, PyTorch feels transparent, and first principles thinking unlocks senior roles. Foundations compound into career acceleration. AI Models from Scratch is designed to build the foundations that unlock everything. You get 30 lessons and 30 running Streamlit apps. Every neuron and gradient is coded by you. You use the production file structure from day one, preparing you for future courses on PyTorch, LLMs, and MLOps. The course is structured around 30 apps, all running on your laptop. You build everything from a gradient descent lab and an XOR solver to a spam detector and a KNN visualizer. The final project is a digit guesser capstone, a pure NumPy 3-layer network that predicts handwritten digits. The capstone is a complete AI pipeline in 200 lines of NumPy. It covers the full flow, drawing input, pre-processing, feeding it into your NumPy network, and producing a prediction. If you can build this, you understand AI. Every line is code you wrote and can explain, using 0 machine learning libraries. This course is built for everyone who builds, designs, or decides on software. Whether you're a software engineer, architect, data engineer, SRE, or product manager, AI is a layer of every modern engineering decision. Understanding the fundamentals is no longer a specialization. It is a necessity. Our learning method uses 4 steps per lesson: run it, understand it, break it, and extend it. Intentional breaking builds genuine intuition. With the same 4-file structure every time, patterns become muscle memory long before lesson 30. This is active construction, not passive consumption. After 30 lessons, you will have concrete, demonstrable skills. You'll implement backpropagation without libraries, debug models using loss curves, build machine learning models like logistic regression and decision trees from NumPy, and explain complex concepts like bias variance trade-off to any stakeholder. The course is divided into 6 sections, progressing from the math engine to the neuron, networks, data engineering, classical ML, and evaluation. These foundations unlock Course 2 on PyTorch and Course 3, covering LLMs, RAG, and MLOps, giving you a complete path from beginner to expert. The package includes 30 hands-on Streamlit applications with all source code, the professional 4-file structure, a complete setup guide, and lifetime access to all course materials and future updates. This provides the essential foundation for our intermediate and expert courses. Start building AI from scratch today. The AI Models from Scratch Beginner Edition offers 30 portfolio apps, lifetime access, and runs on any laptop. Enroll now by visiting the provided URL. Thank you for watching. Join the Systemdr community and begin building production-ready skills for modern developers. You can find more information or reach out with questions via our website or email.